Conveniently located on Bouverie Street in Melbourne, UniLodge Lincoln House is a purpose-built student accommodation right next to the city campus of the University of Melbourne. Being so close to the city campus means you can walk to morning lectures and still have time for coffee. This property is the perfect place for University of Melbourne students to stay. There's a total number of 579 private rooms, with the option of ensuite or shared bathrooms. Every room features a bed, study desk and chair, bookshelves, wardrobe, fan and heater. This modern property features dorm-style living, designed to encourage and strengthen the community vibe in this residential building. It means there are no cooking facilities in the rooms, and by utilising the communal kitchen for preparing meals, it allows residents to interact and socialise. There are heaps of communal facilities for residents to enjoy, including quiet study rooms, kitchen, gym, sports lounge with TV and games room with pool table. For people who love fresh air and the sun, this property has many outdoor areas on site, featuring 2 beautifully landscaped courtyards, common lounge with terrace and the state-of-the-art rooftop garden with barbecues, overlooking the spectacular city view of Melbourne. Providing everything a uni student needs at one spot, UniLodge Lincoln House is the place exactly where you want to be.